Alright. Let's do this.
Roughly 100 grams of protein.
One diet.
I will take that, thank you. There you go with the thumbnail action. Get the thumbnail. Get behind it. There you go. We rip off the Hodge twins so much.
They're the best. Give me a shot.
Okay. By the way,
What is that? It's root beer.
Diet root beer, what?
It's root beer.
Diet? What kind of... Got some diet root beer.
Come, what the? My hair's jacked up. You know how long that's been in now? What's the expiration date on that?
Did you know? I remember when your mom bought this, because I'm the only one who drinks not diet at your house.
I know you drink a lot.
A lot of alcohol. What? Okay, so how many pieces of chicken is this?
I don't know, 8 times 3? 36?
What do you want? 36.
Let's go outside, Molly. Come on.
That's 24. Come on. If I'm short one nugget, I'm killing myself. Alright, so basically, guys, what we're doing here is just getting gains, I guess. Tell me why this counts as a chicken nugget.
You wash your hands?
Yeah.
It doesn't count. It's a piece. Alright. We're doing an eat off or what?
No. Just eat them. How many grams of protein did you say this is? 100 grams of protein?
About. A little more.
That's really funny. Here, let's try and keep our arms off the table so it doesn't shake. Yeah.
That's good.
It's all kind of good.
We getting robbed?
I thought we was getting, what's the word? Terrorized.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know if I can say this on camera, but...
Get that out.
It's on my chin, man.
What you do? Shut up! Shut up!
My dog got surgery.
That's funny. No, it's not.
She's got the collar on and she's trying to scratch. Ain't gonna work, baby. Man, I don't know what Chick-fil-A do in these nuggets, but they're good.
So what to do is they're cooking peanut oil, right?
They do?
They do. They take out the allergen, though, so you're not allergic to it.
For real?
Huh? Coach eats you.
There you go.
Do we ever talk as ourselves in these videos? Let's talk as ourselves the rest of the video.
This is root beer.
That's not alcohol.
I refilled it. What?
Whole video?
Yup.
That's
what?
stupid.
You want to go outside? Okay, well, shut up.
You're going to have to cut like most of it out, though.
Come on, go outside. Come on.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Come on. Go outside.
All kinds of gains.
Don't let me forget my dog outside.
I thought we said we were going to talk about yourself the rest of the time.
Oh, yeah.
We forgot.
Yeah, but really.
Hey, guys. My goal this summer is to get 15 pounds in muscle. At least. Minimum. That's the minimum. Above it would be nice. I weigh 122 pounds.
You do?
122 pounds.
I'm 30.
I'm 5'10". Shut up, I'm talking. And I weigh 122 pounds. I'm probably considered anorexic according to my BMI, but
my blood pressure just went down. It wasn't high or anything, it just went down.
that's not good.
No, it's in the healthy zone. Gone!
Oh, we got the big nuggets in this one.
Oh my god.
Be careful on the table, man. Come on. Think going to watch it if you're going to do that.
Shut up.
Okay.
What's your favorite place to get food? Fast food.
Fast food?
Mm-hmm.
It's the only place I eat fast food from.
Yep. You know what's good? McDonald's breakfast.
I usually throw up after I eat it, though.
Yep. It's a good part.
It tastes good, but then afterwards, you're like anorexic and you just, or what was that, bulimic when you eat a bunch of food and then throw up? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. God.
Whatever.
So we actually have 2 vlogs to upload.
Uh-huh.
Well, this one and then one from 3 weeks ago that
I still haven't edited.
Because you don't have your camera.
Oh.
What?
That was so casual. Post-workout meal.
Guys, I actually worked out super hard at school today. We did some P90X. Oh man, that was rough.
I've been going to the gym as many times as I can every week with work and stuff, but still getting the gains. Better than what it was.
I train 5 days a week. I'm going pretty good.
Not me. I can't do 5. 4. No, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Yeah, 4. I can't go Saturdays. I can go Sundays. What's your days? Monday, Tuesday?
Tuesday through Saturday.
Oh, we train Fridays now. I train 5 too.
Yeah. There you go.
So Sunday's your off day.
Sunday and Monday.
Sunday. No.
Mm-hmm.
Monday's not an off day for you.
Alright.
What's my 2 off days? Oh, Thursday and Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday, Thursday. What about Saturday? Wait a second. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. No,
I don't train Mondays. I train Tuesday through Saturday.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Four.
I train Tuesday through Saturday.
I'm talking about me, stupid.
I'm talking about me.
Come on, Buffy, let's go.
He shakes the table every time he gets up or sits down. It's pissing me off.
That was some dark meat. You feel that? I know dark meat when I taste it. Move, dog.
Your dog looks stupid.
I know.
That's disgusting.
Oh, that's dark meat.
How am I supposed to eat after looking at that?
Look at
that thing.
She's human. Take it easy.
Despicable.
Goals.
Oh.
That 4 on the floor?
You idiot.
Whatever. Last box.
It's cold now because we didn't eat it for
Shut
25 minutes. It's your fault. Bitch.
Ooh.
Hey, guys like to do hair.
Still going. You still going, right? Still getting longer?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Sick. Nice and crispy. I don't like all the crispiness though. I want the chicken.
What's wrong with you?
I want all this bread and crap. Like the freaking breading tails. Some rope.
You're not getting all the gains if you're not eating all of it. You're not getting all the diabetes in now.
Shut up.
Okay. Oh, guys, I just got my own YouTube channel where I train. Subscribe. Andrew Slisko. That's it. Andrew Slisko.
That's not his last name, though.
Actually, it is.
Whatever. Yeah. You know what food is the worst?
What's up?
Wendy's.
Yeah.
You know what's
No,
good,
I
though?
disagree with that. Burger King's worse.
Yup.
Yeah.
Yup. Remember the old chicken nuggets? The ones that look like crowns?
Oh. Oh, baby.
I could eat 50 of those bad boys.
Who's better?
Oh, yeah.
Probably can't even understand what I'm saying. These are better, is what I said.
By a long shot, these are better. That's another dark meat fill up here right there.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Good food.
There's like an air pocket right here in my stomach.
Breathe it.
It's impossible. Can't breathe through it. I'm suffocating.
That's not my problem.
So you ever drank a bottle of codeine?
Dude, what is wrong with my chin? I look like I got a pimple there, bro.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with that. You got
Oh, is it waffle shaped?
Yeah.
It's from the trampoline.
Yeah. Mine's not that way, is it?
My gosh.
Did Jesus lay that egg?
In the shape of a chicken?
What?
In nugget form?
What?
My gosh.
Okay, first the chicken or the egg?
Here you go.
I'm gonna say the egg. Had to be. Serious on this.
No, you gotta toss it back.
That was easy.
Yep. Next time it's 4.
I could eat another 6 of those.
For real?
No.
Want some pizza rolls?
No.
Not in the fridge. Freezer. Not the fridge. Caffeine free, what?
We got the diet action. They do it a lot of times with the diet.
Why?
200 calories per bottle. What the heck are they feeding these things? Yeah. What the hell was that?
So comment down below if you want us to do more eating videos like this. They don't have to be challenges, just reviewing food. If not, tell us not. If yes, tell us yes. Tell us what you want to see. Because summer's coming around. 15 days is... Come on. Shut up. Shut up!
Get serious on this.
15 days.
Get serious on this. No.
15 days of school left. For me, at least. And then it's summer. About to be doing more videos up on the channel.
Is that counting finals week?
No.
It's not?
No, I have 18 total.
Okay, okay. Well, then you just lied to our public.
Okay, well, they can suck it up, won't they?
Oh! Sorry.
You just, like, scream. Okay. Reading text messages. Okay, so, if you want to see more videos of us eating...
Oh, I can't do it.
Okay, us eating food, comment...
Oh, man.
Us
Serious
eating...
on this.
I'm trying to talk! That bird just fell out the tree. You see that?
Oh.
Oh, the bunny just ate it. That bunny literally just ate that bird. Do bunnies eat birds?
Do you want to hear some dead baby jokes? Never mind. Did you just fart?
No, that was a chair. I'm dead serious. That bunny just ate that bird.
Where?
What's gone is gone now.
Well, he
Freaking cannibal bunny.
cannibal.
Yeah, it's eating some meat.
But he didn't eat another bunny. He ate a...
What are you talking about?
Never mind. All right. Well,
No,
see you
tell
guys
me.
later. See you guys later.
Nuh-uh. Freeze. Tell me what I did.
All right. So first things first. Cannibals do not eat. They eat meat, right? But they eat their own kind.
Oh,
so,
you do?
So I'm a cannibal. I'm not gonna eat a bird. I'm not a cannibal if I eat a bird, right? Get serious on this. We're going into death. We're going into death. He's not getting serious on this.
Alright, guys. You know what to do. We'll see you guys in the next MSAJ vlogs. Do it.